Team 29 forecast.
And yes, we do, CJ. We're talking about the season's first snow flurries and even a snow shower, perhaps even a dusting of snow for parts of the area by Monday morning. Now, last night we had an inch or two of rainfall. Now, that same storm system is producing that nor'easter into the northeast and New England. But for us, right on schedule. Time lapse from Charlottesville shows the rain out of here by sunrise. Then we had a mostly cloudy sky, a few breaks of sunshine around midday and thereafter, and temperatures were seasonably cool, mostly in the upper 40s and low 50s. And right now we're falling through the 30s and the 40s. Your 10 o'clock readings are showing 44 Charlottesville, 34 though in the Stanton area. NBC 29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar is dry as it can be as we head into the next 24 hours. And then thereafter, yeah, the weather pattern changes slightly. There's that nor'easter that CJ was showing us. Lots of heavy snow, heavy wet snow, lots of power outages, down trees and power lines out here from down east Maine, interior New England on down into southeastern portions of New England. But for us, yeah, the winds are turning more to the west and northwest, giving us that seasonal chill out there tonight. Now, I'm tracking a couple of little weather disturbances. There's one coming out of the central plain states and the areas of the Great Lakes region, the Midwest. There's also one across the Gulf Coast. Now, if these two were able to combine their forces, that would give us a better chance of snow tomorrow night. But it looks like they're going to stay separated, and that gives us a light, brief snow chance tomorrow night, late into Monday morning. So hour by hour, Futurecast shows sunshine for your Sunday. High temperatures, upper 40s, low 50s, a lighter brand of wind though. And then tomorrow night, clouds fill in. We're dry until about pre-dawn. Here's Monday morning, 8 a.m. A swath of flurries and a snow shower likely, and then drying out and staying chilly for the day on Monday with highs barely in the low 40s. Now, our rapid precision forecast models show, yeah, there could be a dusting of snow if all of it were to stick, mainly on grassy areas. But that's going to be just that slight chance out there as we go into Monday morning. So keep checking back as we fine tune that forecast through tomorrow. Then we're dry on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's a quiet weather pattern and a slow warming trend. Our next best chance of rain, it will be rain as temperatures go above freezing, will be at the end of next weekend. So temperatures near or below average through about Wednesday, and then getting close to 60 in central Virginia by the end of next week. Overnight lows tonight, it'll be on the more December-like level in the 20s and low 30s by daybreak. A calmer wind, areas of frost by daybreak. Your Sunday outlook, seasonable sunshine with highs in the upper 40s in Stanton to Harrisonburg and Waynesboro. Barely 50 tomorrow in central Virginia, but it'll have a lighter wind though, so it won't feel quite as brisk. Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Perhaps a little snow on Monday morning, followed by a drier afternoon and highs in the 40s, and then we're dry on Tuesday and Wednesday, highs barely out of the 40s, followed by a little warming trend, CJ, getting close to 60 at the end of next week.